This is a professional studio condenser microphone, the Marantz Professional MPM-2000U. Let's see what comes in the box. Comes in a plastic case, the equipment is padded, so one condenser microphone, pretty good finishes and painted aluminum, with a USB 2 Type B connection at the bottom, one USB cable Type A to Type B with 3 meters of length, and also one shock mount. To mount the microphone on a studio stand, these elastic bands absorb vibration, and everything is fitted and protected inside the carrying case, the Marantz Professional MPM-2000U Microphone. If you want to see the unboxing, demo and recording tests, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button and write in the comments if you have any question.